Want to get Disney Plus without Hulu? Here's the latest way to do it. First, open the affiliate link in the description below. It takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website and helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. On the homepage, you'll see several bundle plans. Since we're looking for Disney Plus only, don't select any of these. Instead, scroll to the bottom of the page. Under Brands, click Disney. On the Disney page, scroll to the bottom again and click Help. In the Help Center, select Disney Plus plans and prices. The page starts with bundle plans, so keep scrolling until you reach Disney Plus standalone plans. Here you'll find the standalone Disney Plus options. At the time of recording, the standard plan starts at $11.99 per month. Click Select Plan for the option you want. Next, enter your email address and continue. If you don't already have a My Disney account, you'll be guided through creating one. After that, click Agree and continue to accept the terms. On the billing page, you'll see your selected Disney Plus plan. You may also be offered Hulu for an extra $1 per month. If you only want Disney Plus, simply leave your plan as it is. Now enter your payment details. You can pay with a credit card, PayPal, Cash App, or Apple Pay, depending on what's available. Once everything looks good, complete your subscription and start streaming. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you used my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.